I'm now ready to clean my tube site. I've already washed my hands and have everything ready to go. I have my room temperature to warm water, my antibacterial soap and water in separate containers, gauze, and Q-tips. It's always smart to put a few towels down just in case it drips. So the first thing I'll do is I'll take my Q-tips and remove one from the package. Going to dip it in the soap and water and then come into my tube site. I'm going to start in at the center and work outwards in an expanding circle, making sure that I get any little crusties or drainage or any little bit that just might be dried there around the tube. If my bumper's sewn in place, I do need to be gentle to make sure that I don't disturb the stitches. Once I feel I have adequately gotten all of the little crusties and everything is nice and clean, I will then take my second Q-tip and dip it in the pure water so that I can rinse my tube site. Again, starting at the center, working outwards in an expanding circle. I like to follow up with using a little bit of paper towel or towel with a little bit of water on it to just kind of gently squeeze over the area to make sure I got any last little bit of soap so I don't cause any irritation. I then like to pat dry the area to dry it to the best of my ability. If my tube site's not having any drainage on a standard basis, at this point I'm done with my site care. If my tube site is draining, I will take some gauze so that it can absorb the drainage. I'll open my gauze package. There'll be two pieces inside with a split so that one can go either direction around my tube site. If the bumper is not stitched in place, it often nicely will hold the gauze in place and you may not need to tape it. However, if I don't have a bumper or I just don't feel it's very secure, you can use tape to tack it down to prevent it from moving. It's best to tape it in a different location each day so that I don't cause too much skin irritation from the tape. My site care is now complete, and I won't need to change it for another day.